Alright, everybody, guess what? It was the last one at Staples in Elmsford, New York. And we got the newer version of the Staples Easy Bun. You know why? Do you know why that I have to buy a new version? Well, the old one is not broken. You know why? Because the logo was changed and it's not the same voice. It's like lower. Watch this.
That was easy.
So slow. The other one was fast. I'm going to show you right now. I got this 3 years ago and it's a good running working, as you can see.
That was easy.
Let's do a compare. So here we go.
That was easy. That was easy.
Which one did you prefer, the new one or the old one? Well, this is good. Except the logo. This is an old logo and this is the new logo. Except the color looks like dark red. This looks like light red, just like an apple or a tomato. Well, some light reds are tomato and the dark red probably look like an apple, I guess. Well, tomato is a fruit and apple is a fruit too. Alright, let's put this old Easy Bun back. Well, I'm not gonna donate or I'm gonna keep it because I like the old and the new one except for the voice. Looks like lower. I don't know if this is the same one or I better go check on Google. It's the new version.
That was easy.
We're gonna open this one. Also, I got the bathroom sign. They don't have any of the elevator sign. It's owned by Costco. Not Costco, it's a different word. This is a bathroom sign. They have the accessible sign and the men and women sign. Next time we'll buy these two. There are only 3 signs. They don't have the elevator sign at Staples for this.
That was easy.
Alright, we're gonna do a button collection. Probably, I'm not sure. Alright, let's start with the Easy Bun quick. Opens right here. It costs $10.99 for the Easy Button. And here it is. And here's the Easy Bun. It's kind of different.
That was easy. That was easy.
It doesn't switch. They have the languages version. All languages like Spanish, French. I think they sell on eBay, I think that I saw. But I think we're not going to get that because I don't have much money. Instead, I'll get it for my birthday. And for my birthday, guess what, everybody? We're going to go to Boston again since I'm running out of ideas. Also, the one Times Square observation deck is still under construction. I don't know when we'll open, probably September or October, but we'll go to Boston instead. But at least I got the new Easy Bun. It's good and clean.
That was That was easy.
You can hear it.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Oh, it was quiet down here.
That was easy.
Alright, hope you like the new version Easy Bun. Sorry, the bed's not good.
That was easy. That was easy.
Alright, hope you like it. What do you think about this, Elinor? And Fluttershy? Nice. Alright, what do you think, Elinor? Yeah, I like it. Okay. Kind of nice buttons.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Here are the batteries. Alright, hope you like it. Now I'm going to do the bathroom sign quickly. So, that's it.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Alright, that's it.